Getting your Christmas shopping done early. Waiting until the last minute to do your Christmas shopping can be just downright stressful. Additionally, it can make it incredibly hard to find the perfect gift for each person on your shopping list. Furthermore, those who wait until the last minute to finish their Christmas shopping are often faced with the potential for a looming credit card debt for the start of the following year because they did the bulk of their Christmas shopping in December of the previous year. For all of the reasons above, it makes a great deal of sense to get your Christmas shopping done early. Those who complete their Christmas shopping early gain a great deal of benefits. First of all, they do not have to deal with crowded shopping areas as hordes of other shoppers are also trying to complete their last-minute Christmas shopping. Shoppers who complete their Christmas shopping early also have more time to relax and focus on other activities such as decorating, wrapping presents, baking cookies, or just spending some quiet time with family. Finally, those who complete their Christmas shopping early also gain financial benefits. They can take advantage of sales which occur year-round if they spread out their shopping, plus they do not have to worry about paying for all of their purchases at one time. Now that you understand all the benefits of getting your Christmas shopping done early, you may still wonder how you can achieve this goal. One way to do this is to think of Christmas shopping as a year-long event. Sit down shortly after the Christmas season to make a list of each person you plan to purchase gifts for in the following Christmas season. You can also jot down a few gift ideas for each of these people as well. Creating a list at this time gives you a whole year to spend time searching for gifts for each member on your list. For example, you may wish to purchase a particular CD for your sister. If it is a difficult CD to find, you have plenty of time to begin tracking down this time. If it is a CD that is easy to find, you can plan on waiting until it goes on sale and may find you are able to save quite a bit of money by doing this. If you plan on getting your Christmas shopping done early by shopping year-round for friends or relatives, you should always keep your shopping list handy. Your wallet is a good place to keep it, so it is always available when you are out shopping. Not only should you always carry your list with you, but you should keep it up to date. As you purchase a gift for each person on your list, cross off their name and write down the actual gift you selected if it was different from the gift idea you had written down originally. This is important because it will help to prevent you from purchasing multiple gifts for those on your list because you forgot you had already purchased their gift. While getting your Christmas shopping done early does have some distinct advantages, there are also pitfalls to this type of shopping. Those who do their shopping throughout the year are often not as budget conscious as those who shop at the last minute. This is because those who shop at the last minute understand the bills for all of their Christmas gifts will be arriving at approximately the same time. However, those who shop early often lose track of how much they are spending on Christmas gifts because the bills blend in with regular monthly expenses. To avoid this problem, those who plan to shop throughout the year should set a budget for Christmas presents. They should determine ahead of time how much they wish to spend on each person on their list and should try not to exceed this amount. Click the link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.